Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm try on. I'm going to show you what I got for this month and just use the products, see if I like them or not. So yeah, let's get started. I want to go ahead and start off with my eyes. The biggest thing in the box is this palette by Pretty Vulgar. This is what it looks like. And yeah, it's the Nightingale palette. It's very cool tones, so we'll see. I am gonna start off with Hide and Seek, which is this color right here, and put that as my transition shade. Okay, just to address this is not a booger, it's dry skin, and I don't know, last time I had it right in this area, and now I have it in this area, and I've been putting Neosporin, but I don't know, it looks like I have a fucking booger. Okay, now using this shade right here, no, this shade, Lip Brow. I will be applying that on top. The colors are applying really nice on the eyes. It's just a matter of blending. This palette retails for $35. Not bad. I wanted to show you the next thing in the box because I do want to use it as I'm using the palette. So it's this Alamarcosmetics trio, which is this one right here. And this retails for $18. I want to use this next brush just to blend out the colors. And in this palette there's only like 2 shimmer shades, so I'm gonna be using Clutch, which is this one. I'm trying it with my finger because you know the drill. I do want to incorporate a little bit of the more cooler tones in the palette. Let's use Silver Spoon, which is this one right here, and put it on the outer part of the eye. I am excited for The Walking Dead, even though I can't really watch it here, or I can, but it's just Monday instead of Sunday. I'm just so excited. I heard Rick isn't gonna be in the show no more, which sucks because he's like the main actor in the show. The eyes are pretty much done. Then I will be using this. Doesn't really say what type of brush is, or does it? I'm guessing this brush is just to apply like the shade I applied right now, but I didn't use it. So next we are using Break Free and applying that in the inner tear duct. That is that for the eyes. The next thing in the box is this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll Liner, and this retails for $19. So I did see that this brush is shaped completely weird. Hopefully it does not ruin this eye look. Okay, so this eyeliner is completely different. So far that's what I have. Okay. I don't know what to try to make with this. Okay, so that is as far as I go with my liner because it starts drying up and it gets really hard, so it's just hard to put more liner on top of that. Not the best of my job. The next thing in the box is the Laurageller Big Blush and Brighten. This retails for $28. This is what it looks like. Just with a blush brush. I'll use this Luxie brush. Apply it. Okay, this blush is really pretty. See how pretty this is. I forgot to tell you, this brush, you can use it to clean your highlighter Cupid's bow. The last thing on the box is this Lorac Pro Matte lip color, and I got the shade Dusty Plum. So this is what it looks like. It's like a crayon type. I'm just gonna apply that. By the way, these smell really good. This applied really nice and it smells super good. It smells like cupcakes. That is what I got in this month's Boxycharm. I really liked everything in the box, just the eyeliner I'm a little iffy about, but other than that, everything was pretty good. So let's do the math. The total of this box month is $100. Sometimes there's products that are not really that good, and sometimes you get really good products, so I always get it just to collect makeup. That is what I got in this month's box. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you all next time.